friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read 78th chapter of this novel and today's topic heading is on collaboration. Life is not a solo act. It is a huge collaboration and we all need to assemble around us. The people who care about us and support us in times of strife. This is said by Tim Gunn. Even Even though there is a self in the word self discipline, it doesn't mean that you need to refuse the help of other people or that you need to reinvent the wheel because you cannot make your decision based on the knowledge acquired by other people. It is easier to put up a fight against temptation and stick to your resolution when others have your back. Learning from the experience of others, regardless if it is in the form of book or conversation, makes things easier too. I have greatly benefited from the power of social support by participating in online forums. I am pretty sure that if it were not for the people I have gotten to know over the years of my entrepreneurial journey, it would have been much harder for me to reach success. Knowing that people who inspired me also had faced obstacles and were tempted to give up. It was easier for me to keep going when it was me who was facing the immense difficulties. It doesn't mean that you need to become great at making online friends, though most of people who emotionally helped me on my journey don't even know me. It was the breadcrumbs they left in the form of forum post and article that changed my life, not my friendship with them. Another way to collaborate is to find a person who will hold you accountable, a friend who is on the same journey as you, or perhaps an online support group. The key to benefiting from this journey is choosing the right accountability partner. Go with a person who is stick rather than lax, so that when you don't feel like doing something, he or she will push you to keep going rather than give you a pass and a pat on the back. Ideally, this person should be great at what you want to accomplish, and if not great, at least slightly better than you. Last but most definitely not least, if there is a way to accomplish your goal more quickly through working with a reputable coach and you can afford it, do that. I learned the fundamental knowledge about self publishing in just a couple of weeks thanks to working with a person who was knowledgeable about the industry. It greatly shortened my learning curve, inspired me, and helped me avoid several obstacles that would have otherwise tested my resolve, if not outright discouraged from entering this business. So, this is very important chapter that we have to collaborate with people, and collaborate doesn't mean that we have to uh, knowing that person. We can collaborate from their thoughts through online, through books, and through participating, and from any article, anything we can collaborate, because when we experience everything, too it will take too much time, and life is not too long, it is too short. So we have to learn from other person that what they have experienced, so we can learn from that person and we can quickly get there, because that person is already experienced and in that field they have a knowledge, so they can guide it better. That's why mentoring is so much important. If there will be not a mentor, so we have to go through all the process from one which that person has already gone. But if there is a mentor, that person can guide that no, you have to skip this way and go in that way, so that help us, and it reduce time also, and we can reach our goal as soon as possible. So this is all about on collaboration, and that's why we are here. I am also reading and making you understand to help you in your English and to start reading any English novels if you want. So this is all about this chapter, and I hope you like this chapter. So you can hit the like button, share with your friends to collaborate. That is also a collaboration, and subscribe this channel for daily updates so that you can get a notification. And it take hardly 2 to 5 minutes to read any one chapter, so you can gain knowledge of that chapter and apply in your life. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.